Mandaram Nuwara Tea and Experience Factory is an unforgettable destination for travelers seeking a unique tea adventure. After a traditional Tamil welcome, you will be briefed about the history of the tea factory. You can enjoy a small tea-based welcome snack while sipping a cup of homegrown tea. The property has 16 rooms and 1 dormitory, which can accommodate up to 12 adults. Since the hotel is a conversion of a tea factory, you will find traces of the tea factory in most places within the hotel. You can indulge in a tea-based massage, relax in the pool, or hike to Kabaragala waterfall. The highlight of the resort is the leaf to cup experience, which you can enjoy for free if you stay a minimum of 2 nights. So, what do you think about this new experience? Would you like to win a free stay? Let us know in the comments.